Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. So this is a general overview of 2021. So hopefully we have some awesome stuff, Libra. Now, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign. You can check the other video as well. Now, general overview. It's about your career, it's about your finances, it's about your marriage, it's about your relationship, it's about your family. It's about love, it's about general health. So it will cover up. So it will be a 10 card spread, so accordingly. And then we can go into the monthlies and weeklies that I keep posting. I'll come up with a career, business and money reading separately for 2021. So let's start with the general first. So all the best. So general overview, 3 shuffles. General overview for Libra for 2021. General overview for Libras for 2021. General overview for Libra for 2021. Sorry. General overview for Libra for 2021. So let's start. Page of Cups. So definitely happiness. Okay, let's see here. 9 of Cups. So it's all about happiness. It's all about fulfillment. It's a great thing, that you have the 7 of Cups. Now you have all the 3 cups. So emotionally very fulfilling year, I would say, with these 3 cards here. King of Pentacle and the 8 of Pentacle. 9 of Wands, 2 of Pentacle, Queen of Cups. No reversals here. I will not read reversals. Page of Pentacle and the Death. So finally Libra. So this year will prove to be one of the most successful year. It will be about happiness. It will be about contentment and peace at home. It will be about stability at work, stability in your family. That's what I get. There will be some sudden surprises, Libra. You could get a recognition. The sudden surprises, positive surprises is positive. So you could suddenly expect an increment, a raise or a bonus, promotion, or a relocation to a desired place, a new job, anything. So Page of Cups with the 9 of Cups, major fulfillment coming to you, making you so happy and so fulfilled, Libra. So very positive. You will start this year in the first 3 months itself. You will get this idea, not idea, you will get this, for most of you, what I feel here. So you will get recognition, and there will be financials, increase in your financial status overall in the first half itself. That's what I see, Libra, here. Increment. Yeah. So some of you will be spending on luxuries, buying stuff for yourself, expensive stuff for yourself here. But yes, you can do it. Of course, you need to have a realistic budget, your own budget, not because these are general readings. But yes, you will be spending on luxuries. You will be going out for some luxury holidays. That's what, with your family or friend, that you will be planning, Libra, here. So you're very happy and contented. That's what but you will also work hard, and it's not that you will be only holidaying, partying, and contentment. In the mid part of the year, like after the first 2-3 months, even during that period, we see a lot of hard work. 8 of Pentacle is putting a lot of hard work, consistent, persistent hard work, and climbing up the ladder of success. Success in terms of monetary success, in terms of prestige, in terms of status. King of Pentacle, using all the opportunities. You will be given all the opportunities. Opportunities will be thrown to you, but you will grasp them and use it to your benefit. So there will be monetary gains, sudden monetary gains. That's what I get with the King of Pentacle, and you will be making very wise investments. Some Libras will be, buying a second home, or investing in a real estate property. Some of you will be investing in share market, which will make you will make good returns here. But Libras, I advise you going for long term investment. Do not go for investments which are short term and you see them to be too good to be true. So there you need to just keep a little caution. That's what students who want to study will do good in there. Will do very good. They will excel in their studies or higher education with their hard work and effort. But yes, do not be overconfident in interviews. Also in competitive exams you will do really well. At home, in the family life, the you are going to with the Queen of Cups, it's going to be really so it will be balanced life here. That's what if also some of you will be either juggling two jobs, two businesses, or a job or a business situation here. And it's a period, the second half will be a lot of hard work. You will be more into work and less into fun. That's what I see here in the second half. So juggling, a lot of juggling. You finish one work and you're going after another. So that could be here. Also some of you could be starting with two ideas that you were wanted to execute. You maybe in the first half you got these ideas, so starting creative project or enterprise or a business. That's what I get. General, there is good luck and success in all the endeavors in this 2021. Page of Pentacles, some of you will also be gaining knowledge, seeking knowledge, gaining knowledge. So you will be going to universities where universities, or you might join as an intern where you will also be paid for at least the livelihood expenses there. So for the higher studies, no, definitely monetary gains coming to you or resources coming to you. Those who for some of you here, sudden blessings, or either in the form of material gains or resources with the Page of Pentacles. So if you are like waiting to start a business, you will see that you either get the resources or the monetary situation improves so that you can start a business. Some of you could be taking credit from banks or loans, that also to start a business or buying an apartment or homes. Yes, that is there. Most auspicious, I would say this is a period to settle down also, especially in the second half of the year. Now for getting married, engagement, or long-term commitment, that's what I see. But some of you still will have issues. Some of you might still have issues from your past. It could be related to your relationship here, or relationship maybe with your boss. This is for some of you here, Nine of Wands, where you will still feel a little hurt, wounded. There'll still be some issues which will be bothering you, which will which is hurting, which will be hurting, especially in the second half of the year. That's what I see. So what you can do is like you have been holding on to this piece for quite some time. Definitely you have to find out ways to come out of this energy. So first you have to start thinking positive. Do not get into pessimistic thinking. Think positive and making an effort, taking action to come out of this. So if you are stuck in a bad job situation, start looking for a job. You have the Seven of Cups here. So looking via net, on the online, putting out your resume. Definitely I see new opportunities for some. So just being in that wounded energy, and not taking action doesn't help. Luck is on your side, Libra, this year. So use this. You can come out of this energies, Nine of Wands, hurt, wounded, or a stuck situation which is bad for you, with action, with the right action at on time, and there will be opportunities for you to come out of this situation here. The last card is a card of death. So death is not about death. Yes, it is also in the second half of the year you need to take care of your health. There you could be really working hard, so it could be a lot of stress. So practice meditation, yoga, relaxation techniques, rejuvenation, go out on holidays. Also some of you might have a transformation, in your thinking. Maybe you worked hard, and this is around the end of the year. I see that you will be a totally evolved, new, transformed. You will have either an outlook, or it could be in physical sense also, that totally new look, new you, like that kind of. Some of you could be leaving at the year end some things which did not work for you during this year. You might be leaving for something new, for a new beginning again. So yes, I see recognition, financial increase, financial status going in the upswing here. Lot of happiness, contentment. Family life is good, Libra. It's balanced. New love, yes. Some of you will be dating. You will go online and find new love also for you here. And those who are will in this new love situation will be dating this year, and only in 2022 you will be taking tying the knot or taking the relationship to the next level. Those who go out on dating via internet, that's what I get here. So great cards, Libra. I wish you all the best, and this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.